Scott asks us, would a typical American cut suit jacket or blazer look acceptable with a kilt?
Thank you for asking me this.
Yes. We've been waiting for this
yes.
one. Okay.
In a word, good
No.
God, no. When people come into the shop and they're trying to have a wedding or have an event on a budget, and they're trying to figure out what they can and cannot get away with, what I tell them in the store is this: no matter how well the suit jacket fits you, when you wear it with a kilt, it's going to look like you're wearing your daddy's suit jacket. A traditional Saxon wear suit jacket is going to go down about 6 inches or 8 inches past the end of your cuffs. On a kilt jacket, the body of the jacket typically stops 3 or 4 inches above the bottom of the cuff. So what that means is, on the back of the kilt, where a kilt jacket stops at the bottom of the fell or just above the bottom of the fell, so that a good 2/3, 17 inches or so of the pleats are showing. On a suit jacket, it covers up the majority of the back of the kilt, so you only really see the bottom 8 inches or so of the kilt, and it does not look good. So what we tell people in the store is, look, if you're on a budget, I would much rather see you invest in an argyle vest or a tweed vest and wear that with a kilt, and you can get one of those for $100-ish, versus trying to make a suit jacket work with it. No matter how well the suit jacket fits you, it just doesn't look right. So always go with an argyle vest if you're going to go for that kind of thing, or just put on a sweater, or just don't do the suit jacket with the kilt.
Now, what if they try to take a regular, what we call a Saxon suit jacket, and have it modified by a tailor somewhere?
Good question, good dovetail. A few people have tried using, go to a thrift shop and they'll find an old tweed jacket, a tweed suit coat kind of thing, and then they try to cut it down to wear it with a kilt, meaning they'll chop off the bottom 8 inches or so of the jacket all the way around. The problem lies in the pockets. If they're suit flap pockets or jet pockets on the jacket, that means it's actually cut into the actual side of the jacket. Mm-hmm. Those are going to be 3 inches above the bottom of the jacket when you cut it down. The only way it could potentially work is if they are patch pockets, meaning just basically a U shape sewn on there, so you can take that off, move it, cut the bottom of the jacket, take that off, move it up and reattach it. If there's slit pockets or jet pockets in the jacket, don't try it.
Pretty much.